Brand and model name Nokia G42 5G. Slim and stylish design. Dual color grey and purple. Smoother multitasking. Great game performance. Fifty megapixel AI primary camera, 8 megapixel AI front camera, ultra wide shots, low light photography, audio 3D audio capture, mAh battery, battery 5000 mAh, 800 cycles, 20-watt fast charging, display 6.56-inch HD plus display, 90 Hz refresh rate, storage 128 GB storage, RAM 6 GB, expandable 1 TB storage with micro SD card, operating system Android 13 OS, 2-year OS upgrade and 3-year security up-to-date. Features: Snapdragon 480 plus 5G processor, 50 megapixel AI camera, 5000 mAh battery with 20-watt charging.